Welcome to Brand Investigation. I wanted to buy the best cold press juicer brands in online, but there were so many brands and models listed that I couldn't decide, but it had countless options too now. Don't worry. We have done the research for you. Trusted platforms like Amazon customer reviews, Flipkart customer reviews, Trustpilot user ratings, Quora users question with answers, and Walmart ratings and reviews for you. We're comparing the best cold press juicer, Kuvings, Hestia, NUUK, and Hamilton Beach, to help you find the perfect one for your needs. Starting with the juicer type, Kuvings, Hestia, and Hamilton Beach are cold press slow juicers, while NUUK is a self-feeding cold press juicer, making it more convenient for hands-free operation. Now, let's check capacity. Hestia and Hamilton Beach lead with a 500 ml juice jar. Kuvings offers 400 ml, and NUUK has the smallest at 300 ml, making it less suitable for larger servings. Moving on to power, Kuvings and Hestia feature 240W motors, Hamilton Beach has 250W, while NUUK has the lowest at 200W, making it less powerful. Next, let's talk about speed. NUUK operates at 55 rpm, Kuvings at 50 rpm, Hestia at 46 rpm, and Hamilton Beach at 43 rpm, with slower speeds retaining more nutrients. Now, let's check feeding tube size. NUUK has the largest at 108 mm, enabling self-feeding for effortless juicing, while Kuvings and Hamilton Beach have 76 mm tubes, and Hestia comes with 81 mm, making it slightly wider for larger fruit pieces. Moving on to auger quality, Kuvings features patented JMCS technology, Hestia has patented auger technology, NUUK uses a fused strainer auger, and Hamilton Beach incorporates smart pure press technology, all ensuring efficient juice extraction. Next, let's analyze noise level. NUUK has ultra-low noise, while Kuvings, Hestia, and Hamilton Beach operate at low noise levels, ensuring a quiet juicing experience. Now, let's talk about wire length. Kuvings and Hamilton Beach offer the longest at 1.5 meters, NUUK follows with 1.4 meters, and Hestia has the shortest at 1.2 meters, which may limit placement flexibility. Moving on to reverse function, all models, Kuvings, Hestia, NUUK, and Hamilton Beach, support reverse functionality, helping prevent clogging and ensuring smooth operation. Next, let's discuss motor strength. Kuvings, Hestia, and Hamilton Beach offer heavy-duty motors, while NUUK has a standard motor, making it less powerful for tough ingredients. Now, let's check overheat protection. All models, Kuvings, Hestia, NUUK, and Hamilton Beach, come with overheat protection, preventing motor damage from extended use. Moving on to ease of cleaning, NUUK is rated very easy, while Kuvings, Hestia, and Hamilton Beach are rated easy, ensuring simple maintenance after juicing. Next, let's analyze dishwasher safety. All four juices, Kuvings, Hestia, NUUK, and Hamilton Beach, are dishwasher safe, making cleaning even more convenient. Now, let's check extra accessories. Kuvings offers a sorbet attachment, Hestia includes 3 strainers for juices, sorbets, and nut milk, NUUK provides free BPA-free Triton jars, and Hamilton Beach comes with a free sorbet attachment, adding versatility to each model. Moving on to material quality, Kuvings, Hestia, and Hamilton Beach use BPA-free plastic with stainless steel, while NUUK is made of BPA-free Triton, ensuring safe and durable construction. Next, let's analyze build quality. Kuvings, Hestia, and Hamilton Beach are rated excellent, while NUUK is rated good, making it slightly less durable. Now, let's check after-sales service. Hamilton Beach has a strong service network, Kuvings offers home service across India, Hestia has a wide service network, while NUUK has limited service, making it less reliable for support. Moving on to price range, Kuvings and Hamilton Beach are high-priced, while Hestia and NUUK fall into the moderate price range, making them more budget-friendly options. Next, let's discuss Amazon ratings. NUUK leads with 4.7 star, Kuvings follow with 4.6 star, Hestia and Hamilton Beach has the lowest at 4.4 star, indicating slightly lower customer satisfaction. Now, let's talk about warranty. Kuvings provides the longest warranty at 12 years, Hestia offers 10 years on the motor and 1 year on parts, while NUUK and Hamilton Beach offer 5 years on the motor, ensuring long-term reliability. Finally, let's check integrated customer ratings. Hamilton Beach ranks highest at 4.7 star, Kuvings follows with 4.6 star, Hestia gets 4.5 star, and NUUK has the lowest at 4.3 star, making it the least preferred option.
Prices change daily. To check exact model and latest price in the description. Thank you for watching and subscribe to our Brand Investigation YouTube channel. The data comes from official sources, trusted purchases, and real customer reviews and ratings. If you buy the product online using our link, please check the product details on the seller's website before purchasing. Make sure to verify what accessories or items are included in the delivery box. After receiving the product, check everything carefully. We stand by our promise not to review cheap or poorly rated items. Avoid the cheap and short-lived. Choose us for quality and value. Your subscription is not just a click. It's a vote of confidence that will help us to create videos for you. Thank you for watching and subscribe to our Brand Investigation YouTube channel.